So this video might well be a bit boring to certain people, but basically this month is 90 years, November, since 1933, when Raymond Mays, Peter Berthon and Humphrey Cook actually came together to create ERA, and the rest is history, as I say. And this is where the house where Raymond Mays actually lived all his life, and it's for sale if you want it. I think it's about £800,000, but you can see in the back garden, I think it's this piece here where that was the workshop for ERA. There might have been another part to it which is connected to the Delane bus garage. Unfortunately, Anthony Delane Smith at the bus garage, who knows a little bit of information, we're too busy really to see me at the minute, but I might come back next year and see what he can tell me. Anyway, that's where it ERA started, and I say this is a house which is for sale at the minute, and just round the corner from here is the actual BRM building. So it's like till you start researching these things you don't realise what's here. So BRM started after ERA, and obviously produced a lot of cars and went on to win the World Championship in Formula 1 in 1962. So the building here, I believe, the brick building with the orangey roof, is was part of the ERA setup, and then it was then used by BRM, and BRM also built what is the auction room there. So that's a later edition, but they have actually got some photographs of how it looked inside it. You'll see in a minute. So this is the reception to the see through the window. This is a bit of work going on in there, and that's this actual building. So whether they've got any more stuff in here to do with it, I don't know. Anyway, that's it for now. Quick visit. Thanks.